Hello everyone, Bagas here. So long time no see, right? So yeah, last tutorial is at least 3 weeks ago or 1 month ago. So in this video, I create a tutorial again about Element 3D, of course. So because so many questions about how to create 3D Movecam in Element 3D, so I created. So welcome to TFBAGAS tutorial Element 3D. So in this video, I show you tutorial about how to create 3D Movecam with Element 3D and After Effects. So without further ado, let's do it. Alright, so I have to prepare this 3D 3D room just simple for this, because if I create like this, like my example like this, it will be heavy to load. So I created just a simple scene, like use 3D floor and two 3D text like this, right? So and then let's click OK. So because this video is talking about how to create the Movecam, so yeah, just see it. Alright, so for the first, you can go to the group 1, create group null, and make the position of the floor like this. And then actually I usually turn on the physical environment like this, and then go to element again, group 2 and group 3, create group null, and then you can create the position that text like this. Or I will make it like this and like this. Hold on. Oh, I will create it simple like this, and then let's go to the Movecam. So for the first, I usually use the zoom in or zoom out transition, maybe like this. Alright, 9, and make the curve like this. Alright, let's see. Okay, looks good. I will make it shorter like this, and make the text is bigger like this. Alright, okay, good. And then the next step is create position and the next null again like this, and set the position into the second text like this. Alright, I would like to set position of the text. I would like to set like this. Okay, and in the Movecam it will be like this, but okay, like this. And then click F9 in the keyboard, make the curve like this, maybe the influence between 16 until 17%, but usually I use 65% or 67. Alright, alright, too slow. I would like to make it faster like this. Right, looks good, but it's too basic. I would like to add some rotation, maybe like this or like this. Okay, alright, right, looks good. And then I would like to create the top Movecam, because as you can see, the Movecam like this is actually good. For the stock Movecam, it's too basic, so I would like to make it better. So usually I change the rotation of the Movecam. So let's do it. All right. Oh, wrong direction. Hold on. All right, I will focus into the 3D. 3D. All right. Oh, focusing like this. All right, looks good. And then click and again and set the influence. I will set to 62%. All right, like this. Let's see. All right, looks good. And for the transition out, because this is the transition in, this is the transition of the text, and the transition out, I would like to make it zoom out. So I would like to create null again, set position, only position, and set the Z position to list 800. All right, like this. And also you can just click 9 and set the curve like this, so the result will be like this. But the problem is this curve is too slow. As you can see, there's too slow, so I would like to make it faster. So to make it faster, you can click the keyframe, go to tab editor, and click separate dimensions. Click it. So and then the X, Y, and Z position, it will be separate. And because this position is separate, you can customize the curve like as you want. So like this, change it to auto select, and you can customize the graph like what you want. And usually I use my flow. Okay, and let's see. All right, set position like this. All right, as you can see, it's look faster and it looks good. Right, stop at this one and like this. And the last step is create the animation of text, because as you can see, there's no animation of the text. So to create it, go to pixelate again, go to group that you place the text, to particle lock, multi-object, enable multi-object. All right, and go to rotation. Hold on. As you can see, there's the rotation animation. Usually I use this one, set into minus 217, and then like this, go to 217, and let's see. All right, there's the text animation, and I would like to add scale, so make it 0 and make it 1 at this. Let's see. Alright, looks good. And this one I would like to make what is the name? Animation engine. You can click enable. Start group is from group 3, finish to group 2, like this. And then you can click the animation, set the animation into 100% here, and let's see. Alright, looks good. And you can adjust the curve to make it smoother, like this. Alright. Okay. Looks pretty good. And I would like to add the rotation to make it better. For this one, I just want to add 1 minus 118, and the last is 118 too. This, like this, and let's see. Alright, looks good. So this is tutorial about how to create 3D Movecam with Element 3D in After Effects. So for you guys that want to tutorial about how to create the 3D room Element 3D, you can watch my Element 3D tutorial. So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.